Hey, Eric, the bearded tool guy. You know me. Bored to death, and right now I'm worried about the price of tools going through the roof because of all these tariffs. So, what did I do? I went on the Acme website, Acme Tools. I don't mean Acme that Roadrunner uses to catch the Wile E. Coyote. The Wile E. Coyote uses to catch the Roadrunner. I went on their website and had to order something. And you see it's probably going to be a Bosch product because I got Bosch batteries here. Here's their new catalog from Acme. I probably bought 10 grand worth of tools from them. Okay. Well, you know me. I'd rather have a new tool than a new wife. Well, everybody else has this Bosch, but I don't. This is supposedly what the strongest drill in the world they claim it is. The GSB 18V 13330C, and supposedly this is the strongest drill in the whole entire world. That's what they're claiming. Well, let's open it up. Okay, let's open it up. Usual book. Okay. The big giant handle. And of course, no battery with it. So, you know what this develops, don't you? What it says on the box. It develops, the model number means that's how much inch-pounds it is in torque. 1,330 inch-pounds, and it seems like all the guys that test it have it being way stronger than the Milwaukee, and sometimes actually even beating the DeWalt 1007, which I don't know. I'll have to find that out for myself, So, let's take it out. Don't come with anything else other than the drill, and of course the world famous belt hook that I don't use. Okay. Now, okay, I guess this is different. Now, I see this is different here. That's screw mode, there's drill mode, and then there's hammer mode. Okay, let's try it with the 4 amp hour 21700 cell, but they're not tablets. They're coming out soon. Okay. Try with the 8 amp hour. Now, we're going to try it with something not everybody has. A battery adapter. Here we go. I just did a previous test with their 330C impact wrench mid-torque. This is a 3.5 power stack battery. Can't tell any difference. We'll soon find out. I'll be doing a live on this. Maybe tomorrow, maybe tonight. This is April 5th, so I can run DeWalt, and I can finally run a tablets battery on here because they're not going to bring their tablet cells, I heard, until June. So, can't tell by listening to it if it's any stronger. Sounds the same. The truth will be in the drilling. Okay? So now I have the world's strongest drill, supposedly. I like to chuck on it, I'll tell you that. And I have see guys on YouTube like Caleb and a few others that this. And by the way, this is chip ready, so you can program what you want it to do. So I'm gonna soon see how strong this really is and pit it against all my other high torques. And I got 8 or 9 other high torque hammer drills. Okay, Eric, to be the tool guy signing off.